Hey, what's up guys? Zach from 88 Customs. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little view of a cool project that we just finished up. These are Aptec wheels off a Ferrari. And people say, Plasti Dip, Autoflex. It's junk, but these wheels are not painted. These wheels are Autoflexed gloss white, making it totally removable. So when the customer decides he wants to change up the color, he can peel this off and have his brand new wheels protected underneath. These wheels are not cheap. They're also made out of magnesium, which I'm not sure how exactly you powder coat, but Autoflex had no problem adhering and looking good. Obviously did the inside of the wheel. You can see it down in there. We did spray over the weights. I know some people hate that, but we don't want to have to rebalance them and put new weights on after. Hopefully we can get the full car down here and do the car in something cool. But just figured I'd show you guys these wheels. Really cool style. Monster wheels too. Cool stuff. Yep, just figured I'd give you guys a little view of what Autoflex wheels look like. If you got some really high-end wheels you want to change the color on while protecting them, this is a great option. All right, see you on the next one.